Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're going to explore the common issues that can render your Lenovo ThinkPad seemingly unrepairable. First, let's gather the essential tools you'll need for this process: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. Start by ensuring that your laptop is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips head screwdriver. It's important to keep these screws organized, so consider using a magnetic mat or a small container. Once you've removed the screws, gently pry open the back panel with the plastic spudger. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors during this step. After opening the panel, take a moment to inspect the battery. A swollen or damaged battery can often be the cause of many issues. If you notice any abnormalities, it may be time to replace it. Next, inspect the internal components such as the RAM and hard drive. Ensure that these components are seated properly. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help identify the problem without any pressure to proceed with a repair. Now, let's clean out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the laptop. Use compressed air to blow out the dust from the fans and other components. This can significantly improve performance and prevent overheating. If you find cleaning too daunting, don't forget that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without the hassle of going out. After cleaning, if your laptop is still not functioning properly, you might consider checking for any loose connections or damaged cables. Disconnect and reconnect these to ensure a good connection. It's also crucial to update your BIOS and drivers. Outdated software can lead to several operational issues. Visit the Lenovo support website to download the latest updates. If you're unfamiliar with this process, remember that we can help you with a quote before repair, providing transparency and peace of mind. Once you've completed these steps, reassemble your laptop by carefully aligning the back panel and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Power it on and check if the issues have been resolved. If you're still experiencing problems, it may indicate a more serious hardware failure, which can sometimes seem unrepairable. In such cases, don't hesitate to reach out to our service team. We understand that no calls and no travel can save you time and stress, making our service more convenient than ever. In conclusion, while some issues may appear daunting, many can be resolved with the right approach and tools. Always remember to seek help when needed, and consider our services for a hassle-free repair experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.